Going to give a short introduction to algebra. Here we come across two terms, one constant and other variable. What are these two terms? Constant means those quantities which has fixed values, 2, 3, 4, 6, etc. These are the fixed values, and so they are called constants. If we talk about variables, they are called literal also. They are A, B, C or X, Y, Z or any other alphabetical letters. Their values change with situations, so they are called variables. Here we are going to see algebraic expression. What are algebraic expressions? Those expressions which contain constant, variables or literals or arithmetic signs. Combination of arithmetic signs, constant and variables are called algebraic expression. For example, 3xyz plus 2x minus 5y. Here, this is an algebraic expression. It consists of three terms. This is one term, this is second term, this is third term. Here, the first term contains 3x, y and z combined by multiplication sign. Here, this is another term which is 2x. It contains 2 and x combined by multiplication. Here we have third term 5y, that is minus 5y. Here 5 and y are connected by multiplication sign. Each term of algebraic expressions are separated from each other by plus or minus sign. Now, we will see what are the degrees of the terms of polynomial. Here this is one term, this is second term, this is third term. The combination of powers of the variables of each term is called the degree of that term. If we talk about this term, it has variables x, y and z. If we add the powers of this x, y and z, 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 3 here. It has only x with one power, its degree is 1. It has y with power 1, its degree is 1. Now, if we talk about the degree of this expression, then the degree of this expression is the highest degree of the terms. The highest degree is 3 here, degree of this 3, degree of this 1, this degree of this is 1, and the highest number is 3. So, the degree of this expression is here, of expression is equal to 3. Now, we will see 1, 2 more examples to understand degrees more clearly. Suppose we are given 2x square y plus 3x square y square z plus or minus 3z. Here there are how many terms? 1, 2 and 3 terms. If we talk about the degree of this term, 2 plus 1, we have 3. If you talk about degree of this term, 2 plus 1, that is 5, and degree of this term is 1. And if we talk about the degree of this expression, then here degree of this expression is 5, since the highest degree is 5 here. Now we are going to talk about the coefficients. Suppose we have 2xyz. This is one term. If we talk about the coefficient of x, means x is multiplied with which term? X is multiplied with 2yz here. Therefore, coefficient of x will be 2yz. If we are asked to tell the coefficient of y, then coefficient of y will be 2xz. Now, if it is asked to write the coefficient of z, then we will write 2xy. Coefficient of z is 2xy. And if it is asked to write the numerical coefficient of this term, then numerical coefficient of this term will be 2. In this way, we can write the coefficient and numerical coefficient of any term. Now, we are going to see if an expression consists of one term. Suppose this is an expression which has only one term, 2xy. This is an expression which consists of 2xy plus 3yz, two terms. Suppose this is an expression which consists of three terms, 4x plus 3y minus 5z. Suppose this term this expression consists of 4 or more than 4 terms, 2x plus 5y minus 3z plus 8xy and so on. If an expression contains only one term, then it is called monomial. If it consists of two terms, then it is called binomial. If it contains three terms, then it will be called trinomial. It is trinomial. Suppose it contains 4 or more than 4 terms, we can write it as multinomial or simply polynomial. In this way, we can write whether the given expression is monomial, binomial, trinomial or multinomial or polynomial. Now, I am going to give some questions for practice. First question, write the coefficient of x square in each term. Minus 3x square yz, 4 by 5x square z minus 3 x square w y, and the last term is minus 14 x square y square z square. Here in this question we have to write the coefficient of x square in each term. Now, in the second question we have to state whether the expression is monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. We have 3x square plus 2yz. Second one is 4x plus 3y minus 5z. It is 5xyz. Fourth one is 6xy minus 3yz plus 6xz minus 5y. Fifth one is 2x minus 6xyz square. This was the second question in which we have to tell whether it is monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. Next question, we have to write the degree of the expression. Write the degree of the expression. First, 3x square y plus 5xy plus 9y. Second expression is 6x square y square plus 3x minus 5x square y z square. Third one is 6x to the power 5y minus 3x 6y 6 minus z. Only 3 one in which we have to tell the degree of the expression. Now only this much.